Hello, my dear friends. This is Svitlana Kwee, EXP Realty, and let me share with you today. I am previewing wonderful property in Arrowhead Lakes in Glendale, and what a gorgeous community it is, and what a gorgeous piece of land and real estate on it. 2 acres of land with 6,500 square feet home, 6 bedroom, 5.5 bathrooms, but mainly what an amazing gorgeous view it is. Whole beautiful city of Glendale and Peoria you can see from here, and as you can tell, gorgeous infinity pool, but mainly of course wonderful rocks surrounded, but mainly this house has his own pickleball and tennis court. Oh my god. So if you want to find out more information about this property and how much it costs or properties like that, reach out. I'm Svitlana Kwee, EXP Realty, always happy to find you what you are seeking in your real estate journey. Until next time.